Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Holy Town campus. Let's start the video with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear student, welcome to class 7, Science. Here we start chapter number 2, the remaining portion, as we discussed the remaining portion in the previous slide. This chapter is all about transport of nutrients. Our lifestyle directly affects our health, so eating unhealthy food or poor diet can cause many diseases of circulatory system. So in the next coming slide, we'll discuss its diseases. First is coronary artery disease. Coronary arteries are the blood vessels that supply the heart with blood, oxygen, and nutrients. The major factor causing coronary artery diseases are smoking, high blood pressure, eating food rich in fats or cholesterol, and inactive lifestyle. If the coronary artery is unable to supply blood to the heart due to deposition of fats and other cells on the wall of vessel, the disease is called coronary artery disease. Symptoms of this disease include chest pain, shortness of breath, and heavy sweating. However, a complete blockage in an artery can cause a heart attack. Let's move to the second disorder, that is hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. It's a state in which the pressure with which the blood flows through the arteries is very high. The high pressure can lead to various health problems including heart attack, brain hemorrhage, and kidney failure. An unhealthy diet full of fatty acids, high salt intake, smoking, and obesity are causes of hypertension. Let's move to the third disorder, and it's a very serious disorder of the circulatory system, and that disorder is known as anemia. Anemia is a very common disorder of the blood. It is a condition when a person lacks an adequate amount of red blood cells in the body to carry oxygen to the body's tissue. It is caused by so many reasons like iron or vitamin B deficiency in a body, abnormal destruction of red blood cells, certain diseases like cancer, hepatitis, etc. Now, students, it's a time to discuss the possible treatments of this disease. One is organ transplantation. Artificial tissues and heart transplantation are advanced treatments for heart problems. However, they are opt for patients with serious heart damage or when other medicines or surgeries are ineffective. Heart transplantation involves the removal of damaged heart from the patient's body and implanting a healthy heart from a donor whose heart is working but the person is clinically dead. So students, it's all about the transportation of nutrients and circulatory system in human body. Now in the coming slides, I'm going to discuss how transportation of the nutrient it takes place in the body of plants. Let's discuss some of the possible ways of transportation in plants. In plants like humans also need an adequate amount of water, minerals, food, and gases for their survival. For this purpose, they have a transport system for transporting material to their different parts. The transportation of food, water, and minerals in plants is carried out by specialized structure known as vascular bundles. They are comprises of two types of tissue. One is xylem tissue and the other is phloem tissue. Xylem tissue pull water and mineral from root to the leaves of the plants. Roots of the plants have tiny root hair that allow the absorption of water and minerals from the soil, which is a continuous process. When water is lost through the leaves by a process known as transpiration, more water moves up in the stem through the xylem tissues. This upward movement of water happens due to a force called transpiration pull. This force helps in the movement of water in plants from root to the leaves, even if they are as tall as 100 meters. Leaves use water to make food through photosynthesis, prepare food and nutrients, and are transported to all other parts of the plants through phloem tissue. This transportation of prepared food from leaves to other parts is known as translocation. Xylem tissues have one-way flow of water and minerals toward the leaf and stem, whereas phloem has two-way flow of food and nutrients to the stem, leaves, and roots. Now discuss how exchange of gases take place in plants' body. Plants need oxygen and carbon dioxide for respiration and photosynthesis. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of photosynthesis in the atmosphere and carbon dioxide during respiration. These gases move into and out of the plant body through small openings in the leaves shown above in the diagram called stomatas. They also remove excess water from the plant's body. So dear student, this was all about chapter number 2. Hope this video helps you in understanding the concepts that are mentioned in chapter number 2. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz and Fi Amanillah.